Hello guys, so today guys again we have another vlog guys, and today's vlog we have the DJI FPV combo. So yan guys, we'll try to use the DJI FPV combo or FPV. So actually we'll use only in simulator. Yun, simulator. Tama ba? Because we have the application here guys, the DJI virtual flight. So we will use this one application guys, and we will make some practice first. Yan. Again, I suggest if you are planning to buy, or if you have already your FPV, yan, this is the FPV guys, FPV drone. So I suggest to have practice first in the virtual DJI flight. Yan. Because actually this is a different types of a drone. So if you have a previous drone before, like a Mavic Air or Mavic Mini, something, this is different, totally different control. But again, you have your neutral or the N, which is the normal yan. You have N, you have the function, you have N, you have sports, and M, which is manual. So N, I think is the neutral guys, the basic. So we will try only the basic and the sports, because manual is too hard to use guys. But yeah, again, let's connect and let's make our first flight. Yeah, first flight, but not the drone guys. Virtual. So ayan, ito ang ating goggles. Yeah, let's go and do a flight test. So ayan guys, we have connected already all the wirings again. We have the USB-C to, yan, yung USB, which is yung ang tawag dito, kalimutan ko. Then USB normal, which is for the USB-C. We connect to the iPad. Then ayan, the power supply for the goggles guys. Yan. First, ayan, buksan na natin tong FPV ano. Then we will open the battery hanggang sa tumunog to. Ayan. Marinig kayong ingay, di ba? Yon. Testing natin, first flight natin to, di ba? Check natin kung pasok ba. Then, of course, the remote. Open natin yung remote controller. And, yan. Wala pa. Okay. So, yan. Connected already. Yung ating goggles already connected. Also, the remote control. Ready to go. Yan. Remote control. You have option here, guys. Remote controller. Remote the iPhone or any device, like I'm using the iPad, goggles, and the remote. And you have also the iPad or iPhone, goggles, or the motion controller. So we are using the remote control guys. Then confirm. Yeah. Then next. Actually, don't turn on the drone. It's off. So ayan, connecting. So ayan guys, it's already connected. So ayan, let's with the FPV. Yan. Okay, so we're good to go. So we're good to go, and we'll do a practice, guys. Yeah. Okay. Go. We'll try to go to inside of this building. Slow down. Oh. Shoutout kay Mark Monkey, ang ating mentor sa FPV. Giving more tips about the FPV guys. Sana mag-lock sa atin ito. Sihan naman natin. Bang! Yun. Easy din. Ako. Wow. Oh, pwede. But it's not a good idea. In manual mode, yan. Meron kang option. For the manual mode, I think it's use that scenario. Whoop! Kupa. Still alive. In reality, is for sure broke, yo. Bro. Wow. I don't know the feels of the actual guys. Nakagamit ang FPV na actual. comment ko na lang. What's the feel using the FPV? It's my first FPV. We can use this on Sikiho. Try natin. Take some videos. Using this FPV. More practice. And that's it for today, guys. So again, if you are planning to buy an FPV, then ayan, you must try first the application simulation, guys. So it's very I think useful tips to try first the simulation before you try the actual drone, guys, outdoor. So yeah, again, for me, I will go first in the normal mode and sports mode. So later on, if you have more knowledge already how to control the drone, then maybe one day we'll go in the manual mode already. So need more practice for this special for this FPV drone. So, and it's not similar with the other drones, which is ayun, yung style ng ano niya. So again, if you are in the sports mode, it will deactivate the sensor. So, but you are in the normal mode and yan, you're already in the normal mode, it's okay. Meron siyang sensor, guys. So yan, turbano. So actually, I tried also today. Yan, pinalipad natin sa baba yung drone. Just to use only and just try kung okay siya sa normal. So again, guys, I think that's it for today. Again, thank you kay Mark Vicente o Mark Vicente for the tips about FPV. So yan, kung gusto nyong matuto regarding more about FPV, andyan si Mark Monkey. Check nyo yung check nyo yung Facebook account niya. Yan. So ayan, maglalaro pa ako ulit dito, nakakainganyo, guys, nakakaano din, yan, minsan nakakahilo din pag sa goggles, but I think in actual scenario, it's ayun, ganda, para ang lumilipad. So, and guys, I think that's it for today. Flex time. First, I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shoutout to all the admin members ng Team Positive. May mic ba ako? Yes. Team Positive. Ang PBK 2.0 natin na si Palaboy FW at si Brian Puntanar. So hanggang dito lang. Thank you. Abangan nyo yung mga vlog ni Palaboy FW sa Ukay-Ukay. Andun na wala yung kasama doon. Kasi mag-test sa Ukay-Ukay. So again, guys, hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.